Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today I'm going to do like a quick get ready with me, chit chat get ready with me while I get my makeup done and get dressed to go film some content. It's a Sunday. I usually film most of my content on Sundays or Saturdays, like the weekends in general is when I have time to film content. So I batch film and then I edit during the week as I go. That's pretty much what my like content creation schedule kind of looks like. So I'll probably do a voiceover for the rest of the video because I don't want the video to be too long, because with voiceovers I can sort of like speed through the process, but you guys can hear me speak, right? So you guys, look at this nice cute bob wig I ordered from Everyday Wigs. I'm going to give you guys the whole gist, the whole story, the whole experience I had ordering this wig from Everyday Wigs, and just, you know, how we came here to this point. Okay, it's really cute. I haven't done like I still have to lay it and cut up a little bit more lace from the front and everything, but like when I'm ready you guys will probably see me do that. But yeah, let me just give you guys the backstory behind this wig that I had to customize myself, by the way, and I'm not even a hairstylist. But anyway, yeah, let's get right into this gist, guys. Like I said, the rest of the video is going to be voiceover, because if I actually talk through my makeup, this video is going to be a good 40 minutes long, and yeah, we don't want to do that. So I'll give you guys like the full gist. I want you guys to actually look at this wig, look at where this wig is right now, take kind of like a mental picture of it, because I'm going to take it off while I put my makeup on, right? So yeah, this is what I have done with the wig. Bear in mind, I'm not even a hairstylist. This is literally the first time I've actually tried to style a wig, take it from ground level here. So yeah, let me take it off and let's get right into this. I already have like my eyebrows done and everything, so we will just get right into this. Guys, so you guys already know I have a love-hate relationship with voiceovers, so however this voiceover is, just please take it. Okay, let's get into it, right? So I'm sure everybody and their mamas saw these ads on Instagram, because obviously I feel like it was even very aggressive with they were very aggressive with the ads around December, January-ish, right? So obviously I saw this ad on the Shade Room. I also saw Cynthia Bailey aggressively advertising for the company, and Phaedra Parks. So from Real Housewives of Atlanta, in case you didn't know that. So I saw these ads, and I'll post a picture here as well so you guys can actually see what I saw on my Instagram feed. And this picture is actually very recent. This was from like their latest post as of today that I'm recording this, April 4th. And they still have this picture up showing $99, that's in USD by the way, for a blonde cut bob wig, which was what it clearly stated there against that picture. So let me know if I'm stupid. Ads, and I was like, of course, I've been looking to get a blonde cut bob wig anyway for the springtime. So I was like, okay, this would be a great opportunity for me to just get one on sale, because I'm like $99, of course, why not? Which is, bear in mind, about 140 USD Canadian dollars anyway. So I go on the website, I saw this picture, I'm gonna put that up right now. I saw this picture. It still has that same bob wig, somebody else is modeling it, of course, this time. And then I see the price, the density, and everything, and I just went straight to like add to cart, and then I went to checkout. I got to checkout. Shipping fee was $40, which is a bit high if you ask me, but okay, no problem. I wanted the wig really bad, so I paid extra $40 for shipping to Canada, and they said it was going to be about 10 business days. No problem. I didn't even check my mailbox for like a while. So I went to my mailbox. I think it probably arrived earlier than the day I picked it up, but I picked it up on I can't remember what day, to be honest. Sometime in, I know I picked it up a week before I actually opened it, so I want to say like maybe last week in February, thereabouts. So I actually picked it up. I kept it because in my mind I wanted to come and do an unboxing for you guys, because they advertised this wig as a ready to wear. So I was like, okay, cool, let me unbox this wig live on YouTube and show you guys what this wig looks like. Lo and behold, on a Sunday I set up my camera and my everything, my lights, I was ready to go. my goodness. Anyways, I was ready to go. I started my video only for me to unbox this wig, and I saw garbage. Well, let me not call it garbage, but like I saw this wig completely uncustomized. I didn't even know what natural state meant until I ordered this wig and I got schooled about what natural state means for wigs, right? So this wig came with a closure. It wasn't customized, nothing. I'll put the video up so you guys can see what it came looking like. And in my mind, I'm like, I'm like, am I going crazy or something? Because it didn't make any sense to me. It didn't make any sense to me because I'm thinking, why? Like, it wasn't even something that occurred to me that the wig would come looking like that. Do you guys understand? Like, it's a different thing if maybe that was even a thought that crossed my mind. I'd never ordered a wig that came looking this way. No, even if you go and order wigs from AliExpress, which I've never done, and people say, oh, the wig comes and it doesn't look like the picture, but it doesn't even come completely uncustomized, if that makes sense. So I took a video. I went on because I was filming. I was really angry, especially for the fact that I set up to film a YouTube content only for me to open the wig and I saw this garbage that I couldn't even work with at the time. So I went on Instagram, right? Honestly, guys, I went on Instagram. I talked to them over in the DMs. And, you know, I sent them a video. I was like, why did I receive this wig looking like this? You guys advertised this. You had all the celebrities advertising wig for $99 when you're sending people something completely different. And then this lady had the nerve to tell me, I can't really post all the conversations here. And then she sent me a screenshot and said, oh, if I read this, it stated in the description that the wig came in natural state, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, bro, like, who is going to go and read all this rubbish? It looks like, you know, when you order something or you're trying to pay for something on, I don't know, Apple or something, and you have to go read terms and conditions. Like, who does that? You just click agree and you move on, right? So this to bore you guys with all the drama and our back and forth in the DMs, what I realized is after because I went back to their page, right, and I realized they now have a picture of the wig in natural state, and this was on from probably March 12th because I checked the date as well. And our conversation in the DM was on February 28th. So I realized that they probably had a lot of customers, irate customers like me, reaching back out to them. And then they've decided, you know what, let's be transparent. Let's tell people this is what they're actually getting for that sales price. So also, like, what kind of ticked me off was the fact that she told me there was no way they would have sold that wig in the video that they advertised for the price that they advertised the wig for. So that kind of ticked me off. She told me to send the wig back. I was like, never mind, I'm done with you guys. And I just didn't want to deal with them anymore at that point. So let me go and put my famous wig on, and then I will be right back with you guys. If I'm able to show you guys some behind the scenes, I will, but I'm not sure if I will be, just because I'm going to do this by myself, and my major goal is to get through all the outfits as quickly as I can. But if I'm able to capture some behind the scenes along the way, I will. But if not, then it is what it is. You guys will see the outfits on the gram. But yeah, let me go put this hair on and I will come back and show you guys the finished look after all my hard work, okay? You guys, look at me. Seriously, just come on now. Give me my flowers, okay? Anyways, guys, no, I honestly think I did that shit. Look, I don't think it's perfect because, again, I am not a hairstylist, and this is literally the first time I am going to style a wig from scratch. You get me? My major motivation styling this wig was because I spent my money. I'm not about to just throw this wig away. I spent $200 of my money and I will get my money's worth. You guys, I just whipped out this wig on a Saturday. I didn't even have a mannequin head. I had nothing, but I was determined to get my money's worth out of this wig. So I got the cotton. It was probably like 12 inches when I received it, or at least, I don't know how many inches this is now. It's probably 8. I don't know. I'm 5'1", so you know, I think it's probably 8 inches. I really didn't measure or anything. I just went by my jawline, and that's how I cut it. I don't even think it's straight or perfect, but it's going to serve its purpose. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. I'll see if I'm able to show you guys some parts of, I'll see if I'm able to show you guys my first outfit at least. See if I can show you guys that. Otherwise, you guys would have to see that on the gram. But for now, I chose to go with this like nude orangey lip. I'll probably still change it up as I go, like I said before. But yeah, for now, I'm actually feeling myself, you know. Can even sweep it back this way. Ooh, child, look at that. Honestly, guys, come on now, give me my flowers. Okay, this is given. I love it because it's just really giving me that chic, classy, simple, easy peasy vibe, which I'm probably the opposite of, but like, yeah, that's what I'm getting from this, guys. Okay, anyways, if I don't come back to show you guys my outfit, let's say I'm running out of time or something, then this will be the end of the video. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hearing my story. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, post on your stories. If you're moved to, I'll definitely appreciate that. But if I'm not able to come back and show you guys my first outfit, then this will be the end of the video, guys. I will catch you guys in my next video. Now, do I recommend you go get your wig from Everyday Wigs? I strongly do not. However, if you feel like you're a hairstylist, you're quite versed with like styling your hair, customizing wigs and stuff like that, then maybe you'll be able to get like, you know, good wigs for cheaper. But like the hair in itself, I think is pretty great if you were like, again, good with like customizing wigs and stuff. But if you're not, please abort. Do not, because for me, I really think that it was false advertising. Again, I might be wrong. I stand corrected. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about that. But for me, I feel like it was false advertising. But yeah, this is what we're working with. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.